Okay guys, so we finished eating.
Yeah.
We ate one salad, a plate of seafood, mostly fish,
Mostly
with
fish.
4 shrimps and 4 calamari rings, that's it. But it was quite a lot. And one Sprite and one Coke. And we paid for that 210 dinar, which is about 20 euros.
Yes.
So for Morocco it's very expensive. Was it worth it? No.
No.
Was it good? Yes.
Yeah, the food was good.
It was worth 12 euros. In Morocco it would be still expensive but worth it. 210 dinar, 20 euros, a bit on the expensive side, but hey, we're at the beach.
Yeah.
It's a very nice place. The food is definitely clean.
Yes, it is.
And the waiters are very nice, and overall it was a nice experience. A bit on the expensive side, but still not break the bank expensive.
Yeah.
20 euros in Morocco for dinner is quite a lot, but you know, it's not too much.
Yeah, well, at least the restaurant was clean and the view was nice. So
Yeah. One thing is that the next restaurant right after this one that we ate in seems to be a lot more local and a bit cheaper. So we're going to head this way anyway, and we'll show you the prices of the other one because they have a menu outside.
yes.
Okay, let's go see it now.
We discover it later.
Later, yeah. Okay, so this is empty. Empty. And over here looks, I don't know. Actually, it seems like it will also be a bit expensive. Let's see. So, pizza, petite, 40, 70, about 4 euros, about 7 euros, a bit less. 5 euros, 8 euros for the most expensive. This is what 100, 10 euros, 12 euros, more or less the same prices like we paid in the other one. Okay, so it seems like, yeah, look at this. The fruit juice is quite expensive. Usually it's about 8, and here it's 25. So yeah, tagine, which is usually about 40, 50 for the expensive places. Here 130, 100, 120. So I guess the restaurant that we saw is just as expensive as the one that we ate in.
Okay.
The prices here seem to be on the expensive side.
Also? Okay.
Yeah, in this whole area probably.
Well, I
Okay,
suppose
so-
it's the price you have to pay to be in front of the beach.
Yeah, and we had a beautiful view.
Yes.
So yeah, so let me show you a bit around again, and we'll show you a real Moroccan dinner next time when we have it with a price that's going to be a lot more manageable. Okay, and obviously because a lot of tourists come here, it's going to be more on the expensive side. And a lot of business people were sitting in that restaurant. So yeah, okay. So we'll see you later when we have a more local dinner with a more local price. We love
Yes.
eating at the local places that no tourists enter. We do.
We
so
do.
every once in a while we can indulge ourselves.
Usually the food is really tasty.
Oh yeah.
The clean part.
Yeah, but we haven't gotten sick yet.
Exactly, we're still
And
fine.
we're still
so-
fine. The baby's eating from it, and it doesn't look the cleanest, but the food is always clean.
Yeah,
The food is
I mean
always good.
the places look a little bit, not fancy.
Yeah,
but
they're definitely not
fancy,
fancy.
but the food is amazing.
But the food is amazing.
And people are super nice in those places.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
usually it's
definitely.
the owner, the one that's tending you, no?
Yeah, usually.
So,
Okay, so we'll see you in one of those places, and for now we'll say bye-bye from Ain Diab, the main beach in Casablanca.